Hello everyone, let's continue to make a landing page or a home page on day 3. So this is our first installation of WordPress. This is the fresh website and we will make a home page or a landing page. First of all, we need to go to the WordPress admin from your site. On the top left, you can type wp admin and you can enter. So this is our dashboard. This is our menu that we can customize our website. So to build a homepage or a landing page with an easiness, we need a page builder. To install the page builder, you need to go to plugins and then add new plugins and then search for Breezy. So this is the page builder that we will use on this course. There are many page builders that are available like Elementor, Divi, the Beaver and others. But for this course, we need to install this. So you need to click install now. Once it is installed, then you can click activate to activate the plugins or the page builder. Okay, so for this course we will use the Breezy free. There are the pro version, but we need to pay for the pro version. But if we want to use the basic features, the Breezy free is good enough to start with. After we install the Breezy, and the next we should change our themes. You can go to appearance and then select themes. So the default themes that came from the installation is the 2021. So the background is rather than green. We need to change the background to white, so you can change either than 2019 or 2020. For this tutorial, I want to change it to 2020. So just click activate and then the background will be white. So the next, we will create our home page or landing page. You need to go to pages. After go to pages, we need to add new page. Simply you can click on it. Okay, if you already successful install the Breezy, then there are the button on the top left, edit with Breezy, and you can click on it. Okay, so this is the page builder by Breezy. You can create or add elements that already built in Breezy. So before we build, we will take a little tour about the page builder. On the top left, there are plus button. So this is the elements that are available to add for Breezy. As you can see, because we use the free version, so this is the menu that we can use. The menu or the elements with the red dot is the pro version, so we can add it to our page. But don't worry, we will make it for the basic features or the basic elements. We choose Breezy because it built in with some templates that we can use. So for our first page, we need to create this. You can simply add plus, and this is the available themes that we can use. Okay, of course we need to choose it from the free or non-pro version, because the pro version is locked. Because we want to make it a coffee shop website, we need to choose these templates. Okay, so this is our page, and then next, and the next step, we want to change our background. So you will be provided the picture like mine. There are the background and the coffee picture to add to the website. So once you located where is your image, then you can click the background, and then on the top right there are button that you can click, and you select or click on it, and then you can hover what can be done with this background. There are block, background, and colors, save, settings, or duplicate. Since we want to make or to change the background, we can click the background. Okay, and then we can delete the background and then upload the new one. Once we select the upload, and then we can select the files. I located my picture on pictures, and then select the pictures, open, and wait until it's uploaded. When it is uploaded, and then select the picture, and then the background is changed. If you want to make the background is bigger, you can easily drag and drop, or drag and wherever you want to resize the background of the picture. Since I want the block is bigger to fulfill the screen, I drag it into the bottom, so the picture will be larger. Okay, if you want to change the wording in here, you can just simply click on it. Maybe you can change base of the base. Okay, and the little word here also you can change it. Maybe you can best coffee. I add some text in here. Best coffee, best milk. And then the last about the beverages. Okay, once our first page or first element is built, then we will continue to add some blocks with some templates. You can scroll down and there are new block that we will add. Simply just click the plus button. For the categories, there are some categories that you can try and do the experiment. There are the light styles or the dark styles. It will suit your style. And for this, we need to go to the categories theme. These theme templates, we can use it to promote our base products for this coffee shop. Or simply you can add this block from the categories theme. There are this block, you can click on it. Okay, it is done, and we want to make this picture and the description to promote our product. So same as our previous methods, here we click on the picture that we want to replace and then click on this image, and then we can delete the image and upload the new one. You can select the upload files, select files, and choose one of these assets. Okay, maybe we can upload two more. Okay, when it's done, we can do the select. So the picture will be changed, and we can adjust the zoom level. You can zoom the picture or zoom out, or if the picture is too large, we can drag and drop this image. Simply we select the image again, and now we can adjust the size of the image. We can scroll down so the full image will be shown. Do this for these two pictures. Go to image and delete and select the new image. Select, and then we should resize the image. Okay, the last image we should delete and then upload the new one. Okay, when it's done, we need to change the description of these products. Okay, I want to change the another description. Okay, so the last, we need to change this tree description. Maybe we can name it caramel coffee. This is as double shot espresso. And then the last time is hazelnut, for example. Okay, you can add or try to change this description later. And then next we want to add the some elements again. We search for the new blocks, click the plus. The next block we want to make a slider, so you can choose the kit 1 blocks on the top left. Simply click the drop down menu and select kit 1, and then you can select these templates in here. So we will modify these elements to promote our places. Maybe we can change the description, cozy places, and maybe you can change the picture of the place that you want. So this is the slider. You can click right. Maybe you can add some description of the places, because the coffee shop usually have an attractive places. Okay, it is done. And then we want to make another elements. We can scroll down and then add the new blocks. The next we want to make the review of our customers, so we can modify the existing template. You can select on kit 1 and light styles, and you can select the theme categories in here, and you can select this template. Okay, this is usually used for the introduction of the team members, but we want to change it to the customer review. So we can change the description. Okay, maybe we can change the name of the customer. I want to change it to Robbie, Pinkan, and Marcel. Okay, maybe you can change it later for the description of the customer to review that our coffee shop is good enough to drink the coffee or to eat the snacks. Okay, for the last elements that we want to add is for the maps. If we want to promote our website, the customer should know where our coffee shop is. From this, you can stay on the kit 1, and the categories we can select contact in here. So you can see some templates that contain a maps. I will choose one of them in here. Okay, if you successfully add the maps, you can change the point in here. You can add the address. We can add the exact address, or maybe you can just put the name of the places. you add the Jakarta here, so the maps will be in Jakarta. Or maybe since I don't have the real coffee shop, maybe I will use Janji Jiwa coffee shop. Okay, since I live in Bintaro and Janji Jiwa is one of the most popular coffee shop, and then I add the Janji Jiwa on Bintaro, and then it is automatically sync the address to this coffee shop. Or maybe you can add the actual address in here. Bintaro blah 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 and etc. And on the bottom you can add your email, and then the phone number, okay. So this is the maps from the template, and then the last element that we will use is our history or about us. You can simply add the plus button. Okay, to find the about us template, we can go to the kit 1 blocks on the style light, and then we can filter the free categories, and we will search the about us. You can slowly scroll the menu, and then found the about us in here. You can click on it. Okay, so this is the about us page. Maybe you can modify the historical story of your coffee shop in here. Okay, let's us review our website from the top. This is the welcome page, and then this is our base product. We can describe our base product in here, so the customer will be interested to visit our coffee shop. And then we scroll down, we describe our places, so it will continue to interest our new customer to visit our coffee shop. And then we will make it stronger from the review of maybe some influencer, an actress, or somebody else that review our coffee shop. After the customer have willing to visit our coffee shop, and then we make our address, where is exactly our coffee shop is. We can change our maps in here and put our email or phone. And the last, we can add the about us, about historical story of our coffee shop. Once our draft is enough, and then we can save the draft on the top right. Okay, and then on the top right we can preview our design. You can simply click on preview, it will create the pop-up for the new tabs in here. So this is the preview of our final website. Okay, what we design on the page builder is what we get. or in web design or computer programming, it is known as what you see is what you get. After creating this website, the last steps is to make it our default page, because if we want to visit our localhost and our coffee shop, it will still our new installation, because the WordPress still don't know if we already make the good landing page. So we need to redirect our home or our landing page to the template that we have done. We can go back our WordPress admin or WordPress dashboard. Okay, before we change it to the default page, we need to go back to the page, because the previous template that we made from the page builder Breezy, it is still a draft. It is not final yet. So we need to publish this page first. Simply we can just click on it, edit with Breezy, and it should be the same look as before. And the top right, on the bottom right, on the save draft, there are arrow in here, and you can click, and then there are option to publish page. You can click on it on the publish page. Okay, once it is done, we can go back onto our page, into our dashboard, and check it whether it is published or not. And then we go to page, and then this Breezy or our landing page, it is published. Or to make it known, maybe we can add or edit the title, landing page, and then update. Okay, once it is done, we need to change our website the direction of our website, our first website. If the new customer visit our website, we need to direct them to this landing page. So we need to go to settings, and then choose reading, and there on the menu your homepage display, we can select a static page in here, and then the homepage we should select our landing page. Okay, once it is done, we need to save the changes. Okay, to test out whether our setting is done or not, we can access localhost and coffee shop. And as you can see now, if we visit our first website, the page will be directed into our landing page, not the default one from the installation. Okay, that's for today. Thank you for watching, and see you.